back to previous version of Windows 10 from Windows 11, or how to roll back Windows 11 to Windows 10. Go to start button, right click on it and choose settings. Windows settings will open now. Here from the left pane, go to the Windows update. Thereafter go to right side and choose the option advanced options. Click on it. Thereafter scroll down and you will find the option advanced recovery option. Click on it. Here you will find the option go back, but you will see this option is hide here because beyond 10 days you can't go back to the previous version. So in this case you should click on next option, advanced startup option, and choose restart now. Windows will now restart. Wait for some times. And once, please wait for blue screen, and as soon as blue screen appear, a list of options you will see. Here choose the option troubleshoot. Click on it. Thereafter choose advanced options. Click on it. Thereafter from the right side choose the option uninstall updates. Uninstall updates, click on it, and you will direct the next Windows, and in next Windows you should click on second option uninstall features. This will bring you the next Windows, and follow on screen instruction to roll back from your previous version Windows 10 from Windows 11. Follow on screen instruction to complete the process. That's all.